Plagiarism is a serious academic offense. When writing a laboratory report or a coursework assessment, it requires 100% genuine understanding and explanation. Today I will be showing you an effective software that helps check if your documents contain some form of copyright work. Let's go. This is Plagiarism Checker X. I'll drop the link below in the video description. I have it pre-installed already, and let me show you how it works. I'll simply load this document and click on Check Plagiarism. It shows proof of percentage of plagiarism and uniqueness of your document.
Nice.
It's that simple. Now, go get those courseworks done in no time.